Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with our beautiful project here, BEEFY. My goodness, so far we invested about $300, and you can see we are a bit down here. The one thing that's actually getting me down, went up, I think, quite a bit there. One thing that's getting me down a little bit is the fact that we are getting a lot less yield than we used to before. I think we used to get about 36 cents daily. But now we're getting 29, so it went down quite a bit. So I'm looking at new vaults here that we could get into. So 120% in this one right here. That is absolutely absurd. We're going to take this one then for today. I think that could be pretty good. I want to get some APY, especially on projects that will do well. I mean, USDT is going to be the stable coin most probably forever until, I don't know, American Bank is actually hosting their own native coin. I don't know if it's going to happen ever, but I think it's in the works. Other than that, I still believe that Bitcoin, USDT will be used all over. So, but yeah, we're going to just put some $50 in here and then over there. And then we'll, get quite a bit of APY here, in my opinion. What was it, 6? Yeah, that's close enough, guys, to $50.50. So we're going to just click on Connect Wallet and do stuff like this, yeah? I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. The cool thing about this project also is when you read here at the bottom, it says their LP breakdown. You're going to have 21% in stablecoin or in USDT, and the rest will be in BNB, which is actually pretty nice. So it's an 80% BNB at the moment. Like I think it's going to change later down the line. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Like it's a lot of... it's a lot of BNB actually holding instead of stablecoin, which is preferable right now, considering that, crypto is going to go up soon and stuff like that. So our monthly estimated yield now is 40 cents. And obviously the breakdown right now, you can see 3% in USDT, which is a very small amount. And I want to prefer it that way for now. But yeah, so we're inside the project, 120%. APY, which is actually really nice. And we're getting 10 cents from that just by having $50 invested. So it's really, really nice, in my opinion. It doesn't really say yet how much we did invest, but yeah, it's really cool. And over here you can see also the stablecoin breakdown. We have 3% in stablecoin and 96% in other. So the breakdown is actually pretty nice on this platform, how it works as well. And obviously, if you have multiple chains, I'm not going to multiple chain, most probably. I think we'll stick to BNB because, that's what I'm used to as well. But yeah, that's the breakdown right now. I would actually like to see how much exactly we did invest. There it is, $49.95. So that's as close to as possible we could get. And like I said, 5 cents, we'll make that on a half a day. So it's not a big deal. And the APY went up by 15% by just investing money here. It's the total amount, right? The total amount between all your vaults that you're in gets calculated here. So 55.28%. So yeah, getting an extra 15% from just investing here, that's a pretty big deal. The one thing that I did see though is that the APY goes up a lot and down a lot depending on, I don't even know what. So it might be more beneficial for us to be in majority of the pools than just, having a handful selected. I would say at first, right? At first, that would make sense. Just be in majority of the pools. I don't know if you get like extra coins somewhere. Maybe there's like boosts that BEEFY is doing to certain projects to get them the TVL a bit higher or something. I don't know exactly how this works yet. Obviously, if I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, thanks for being here, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.